Reynard and the Empty King. Reynard the fox was a very busy fox, but never too busy to use his eyes. He spent his days observing everything: the silent owl, the chattering squirrel, and the way the morning light moved across the forest floor. One afternoon, Reynard ventured near the edge of the woods, where the dusty old theater workshop sat quiet and forgotten. Suddenly, something colorful caught his eye. It was lying among a pile of discarded lumber and rags. Reynard crept closer, careful not to step on any crunching twigs. The object was a mask. It was painted gold and crimson, with intricate carving that made it look like the face of a proud king. Reynard circled it slowly. "Oh my," he whispered. The mask had sharp, noble eyebrows and a confident, strong jaw. Every detail was perfect, truly magnificent craftsmanship. What a wise face, Reynard thought. Reynard carefully nudged it with his nose, then slipped a paw underneath and lifted it up. It felt strangely light for something so imposing. He held it up to the daylight. He shifted his grip and turned it over. He expected to find heavy wood or polished stone inside, but the back was just thin, curved pasteboard. It was completely hollow. Reynard let out a small, disappointed sigh. What a sight, he murmured to himself. The head of a king, majestic and bold, but without any brain to think with, or mouth to speak wisdom. He set the mask down gently, letting the afternoon sun warm the golden paint. It still looked powerful. It still looked like a wise ruler. But Reynard knew the truth now. A beautiful covering means nothing, Reynard concluded, dusting the grime from his whiskers. If you are clever, or kind, or strong, it must be on the inside, where it truly counts. He continued his walk, leaving the magnificent, empty mask where he had found it. The moral of the story is simple. A beautiful appearance is often lacking in real worth.